Matt.
Hey Matt.
And Michael.
Hey Matt.
Oh wait.
Hey Matt. Matt, I'm kinda hungry.
Hey boys. Chef Matt's in the house here. Today we're going to be making Jacob's favorite appetizer. All the way from France chef man himself, Ratatouille. Today we're going to be cooking these wonderful Foster's Farm corn dogs. 28 pieces. You can get them at Costco for about 20 bucks. Sellout mode. So today we're making, how many corn dogs do you want?
I just want one, I'm hungry.
Okay, well we're making Jacob one special corn dog. So, what you're gonna need is a corn dog, a plate, paper towel. This is the most important part, remember this. And a microwave. Now, the trick is you have to get the timing just right. So you want to preheat this oven at 1,000 degrees Celsius on the sun. Click the start button like 3 times. Sit down, T-pose for a bit right here with my main man, Tachong. Can we say that? That's copyrighted, but anyway. Now if you follow me, we're going to do a little activity while we're waiting.
I just wanted a corn dog.
While we're at it, let me sell out to Evike, shall we? Evike, selling these mags at $2 or something. They're $1 each. All right, now that we have that, oh shit, he's alive! Oh shit, we woke up in the bed. Yeah? Can you? Seems that the Russian man has stolen my wife away. Anyway, we'll save her later. Seems that the corn dogs aren't done, so we're gonna go on this mission. Save my wife. Remember, kids. Enough is enough. Stig Heil! All right, we've saved my wife. Now that that's over, seems that he's still alive. Okay,
God damn it!
the only real way to solve this.
No.
Alright, we'll save this violence for next week. Seems that the corn dog is done. And at this point, your corn dog is ready to go. Seems that the Russian man has got my weaponry. Huzzah! We have now defeated the Russian man right here. That's Cooking with Microwave Matt. See you guys next week.